Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sunil Kumar Jatak. Today I am going to discuss about the other sands. So this is the 10 lecture of metal castings. So you are the welcome in the meta engineering. So other sands. Other sands are those sands uh, which are used for the some special purpose for the special purpose. So main molding materials in the main molding materials main molding material in the casting process is the molding sands. Main molding material in the casting is the molding sand molding sands. So this is the prime material, and we can say the principal materials for suitable for making the mold. But by accept these materials, we also use the some other materials also be used for the special purpose. Special purpose. So these materials are first is the facing sand, second is backing sand, third one is mold wash, fourth is parting sand. So from the name of the sands, we can assume that where these sands will be the applied. So first is the facing sand. So facing sands is generally sprinkled on the pattern first. Like this is the pattern. So on the pattern we sprinkle this sands for getting the good surface finish. To getting the good surface finish and cleaner and smoother surface finish. And this sands, so we can discuss the characteristic of both these sands. Used for smooth surface finish on casting. These sands are generally the sea coal or coal dust, and is mixed with system sand to improve the moldability, and the surface finish. So this is the purpose of this. And coal dust is the carbonious material. It is the carbonious, and it burn cellulene from the heat of molten metal. And this also give off a small amount reducing gases, small amount of reducing gases. This sense also create a small pressure creates a small gas pressure in the surrounding of the cavity. Surroundings of mold cavity. So that molten metal is prevent from entering into the silica grains or fuse them. So molten metal prevent from entering into the silica grains or fuse with them. So what is the purpose of facing sands? Facing sands is used for the smoother surface finish, and these facing sands are the coal dust or sea coal, and these are the mixed with the system sands to improve the moldability and surface finish. Sea coals are the carbonous material which burn very slowly from the heat of the molten metal, and it also give the small amount of the reducing gases, and this sands create a small pressure surrounding the mold cavity that that molten metal prevent entering into the silica grains or fuse them. So that is this facing sands is the very beneficial to get the good quality of the casting. Next is the backing sand. Backing sands is used to completely fill the molding flask. Molding flask with ramming. So it is generally used for the ramming, and contain backing sand contains facing burnt facing sands, molding sands, and killing. It is normally reconditions. It is the reconditions foundry sand, and it is used for ramming. For ramming the bulk of the molding flask. Next sand is the mold wash. It is the purely carbonious material. Carbonious carbonaceous material such as sea coal, finely powdered graphites, finely powdered graphite, or proprietary compounds, proprietary compound are applied on the mold cavity, on the mold cavity after removal of pattern. After removal of pattern, and this molding flask is called the mold wash. This is called the mold wash, and it is done by spraying, sewing, or painting in the form of a paste, bait paste. So there are the two purpose of using mold wash. First is to prevent the metal penetration into the sand grains. Second is for the second to prevent the penetration into the grain sands and good surface finish. Second purpose is to avoid mold metal interaction, and prevent the sand fusion. So to depositing the mold wash, for depositing mold wash, as the carrier we use the water or alcohol, either water or alcohol is used as carrier, but there is the problem. To get out the water from the mold cavity. To get out the mold from the mold cavity, so in the place of the butters, alcohol is the preferably most preferably used, alcohol is mostly used as compared to water because the boiling point of alcohol is low, so it is evaporate at the low temperature, so it is used. So profit next is the proprietary horses are used, yeah, are available in the form of powder, paste or liquid. So the powder is used here, the paste and liquid are generally not applicable. So there is the problem to apply the paste and liquid where we can use the powder. So next is the parting sand. Parting sands, from the name we can understand that parting sands is also used to easy withdrawal of the patterns, and it is also applied at the parts like between the cop and track part. Uh, so the silica grains can't be diffused to each other. So it is the sprinkled on the pattern. It is also sprinkled on pattern for easy withdrawal. For easy withdrawal. Second is to prevent adherence of the molding sand. Molding sands part like between cough and drag parts, and this help for the easy withdrawal of the pattern and easier separation of cop and drag at the parting surface. So it is essentially non essentially a non sticky materials such as washed silica grains. So parting sands is sprinkled on the pattern for the easy withdrawal. Second is avoid the adherence of the molding sands parts like cop and it is applied between the cop and drag, and some other surfaces are formed in the mold where it is also applied, and this is the completely non-sticky materials such as the washed silica grains. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. So the four type of other sands are also applied for the special purposes. These are the references, and you can follow the PN Rao and PL Jain books. These are the very good books for the foundry. Thank you.